Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So I played something in this song. I have decided to follow Jesus. Very simple lick. It's kind of long, so I just feel like breaking it down for you guys. I know it's gonna be of help. So yes, let me play it very slow. So this is it. Then and it's right to your lasso. Right, so right, so that is all. So let me call out the notes. So mi sol la ti do re mi fi sol, then la ti do re mi fa sol fa mi re. Then slide it down to your do. Right, so mi sol la ti do re mi fi sol la ti do re mi fa sol fa mi re do. Right, so let's try playing with the metronome, right? 1, 2, 3, go. Let's make it cleaner. So let's try stepping up the tempo. So something like that, right? Cleaner. Sorry, my amp just got off. So let's go again. Let's go again. So you can actually practice like this. Sorry, my arm is kind of. So yeah, you can actually try practicing like that. So let's try putting it in song now. I have decided. Right, so it's actually going to help you or lead you to your sixth, the la, right? I have, so you are actually starting to play when we're entering that I have decided, right? I have decided, right? To follow the, let's go. I have decided. So, like I said, mi sol la ti do re mi fi sol la ti do re mi fa sol fa mi re do. So, I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided. You see how it goes, right? To follow Jesus. Let's go again now. I have decided to follow Jesus. So I have decided to follow you. I have decided. So slowly, I have decided. Just try it out. Just try it out. It's very simple and it sounds very interesting. Yeah. So.